Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of garden hoses, specifically the creme de la creme of Never Kink Hoses, the SPECILITE 50 feet stainless steel garden hose. This hose is making waves for all the right reasons. Let's dive into why it's earning top marks from users everywhere. First off, durability. Made from 304 stainless steel with a multi-layer flexible inner tube, this hose is a true powerhouse. It's built to withstand everything from rough handling to the jaws of your furry friends without a single crack or leak. And speaking of kinks, forget about them. This hose is as flexible as they come. No more frustrating tangles or twists, just smooth, uninterrupted water flow every time. But wait, there's more. The upgraded aluminum nozzle is a game changer. With 9 different spray patterns and a thumb control for water flow, it's versatile and easy to use. And let's not forget about leaks. Both ends of the hose are equipped with tight sealing rubber gaskets, ensuring that not a drop of water goes to waste. In conclusion, if you're tired of wrestling with flimsy hoses that kink at every turn, it's time to upgrade to the SPECILITE 50 feet stainless steel garden hose. Durable, flexible, and leak-proof, it's truly the best Never Kink hose on the market. That's all for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product critiques. Until next time, happy gardening!